Experiencing call problems with AirTalk Wireless? You're likely facing issues with VoLTE, outgoing call failures, or needing network resets. Here's the core issue. AirTalk relies on AT&T's network, and glitches can occur. VoLTE transmits voice calls over LTE data, giving you HD voice, but failures happen due to SIM errors, disabled VoLTE, or network congestion. Outgoing call failures usually mean your device can't connect, often from incorrect APN settings. A network reset restarts your connection, resolving temporary glitches. In short, these three issues are often interconnected. As of October 2025, AirTalk has addressed some issues through software updates, but problems persist, particularly in rural areas. First, ensure VoLTE is enabled in your phone's settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and turn on VoLTE. If that doesn't work, check your APN settings. AirTalk typically uses Internet for the APN. Next, try a network reset by toggling airplane mode or performing a factory network reset. If these steps fail, contact AirTalk support. Keep in mind, AirTalk has released a network fix feature within their app version 2.1.5. Looking ahead, AI-driven diagnostics are becoming more common, and AirTalk is piloting 5G VoNR in some cities. By 2027, AirTalk plans to phase out 3G, reducing the need for resets. Remember to back up data before performing resets and verify device compatibility on AirTalk's website.